Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Holy moly, if you made it this far, thank you so much. Today we have a lot going on. We are going to Jersey for the day. I'm actually taking Kennedy to one of Jonathan's practices. He does like outside of college, he does like a league, which is really fun and cute. So we're gonna do that. My mom is actually on her way right now. She's gonna show me something that she got as a gift for somebody in case she's watching. I don't know if she opened it yet, but what else? I feel like there's so much more, but yeah, we'll see wherever the day takes us. I feel like the majority of the time we're gonna be in the car, me, Jay, and Kennedy. We're dropping off Coach to his sister's for a while, and don't know how to process me not having Coach for a while because it's never happened. Like sometimes like a day or two he'll stay at my mom's, but my mom is pretty close to me, so like I'll FaceTime her and all that stuff. So now we're gonna be blowing up Joya's phone and FaceTiming because I don't know, it's like, it's Coach, it's, yes, he's a dog, but he's like a part of the family. And although sometimes he can annoy the mess out of me because he's so playful and like wants to bark and wants to like always do something, and maybe I won't have that much energy, so it's like, really, Coach? So yeah, just not being in like the routine of like feeding him and making sure he has to pee and someone else has to do that is kind of wild. But yeah, so this will be interesting, and we'll see if this is the first of many or the last one ever. But we've had Coach for 3 years now. We got him during COVID. He's a COVID baby, so he's very attached, very glued to me and Jay, honestly, and now of course to Kennedy. So grateful that we have him for Ken, because it's like you need another sibling, in my opinion. Like Kennedy needs another sibling. So thank God we have Coach, because she loves playing with him. He loves playing with her. Ooh. It's just a great, it's honestly, it's amazing. So Susan's on her way, and let's get this vlog going. Mom's here. But yeah.
So then some Gino's pizza that you could throw in the freezer. We had that left over from yesterday.
Thank you.
And look at how gorgeous this turned out. Sorry, it's all wet.
Is she awake? Well, she should be awake.
Well, I have to drop home to pick up some things. I'm gonna drop her off. She left detergent at my house, and Aunt Lori brought me her sheet pans from Thanksgiving.
Oh, you want me to read it, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that? The Roadrunner?
No, that's the wallpaper from her bedroom at Grandma's house.
She's gonna know that?
I wallpapered for. Of course.
Well, I wouldn't know that, Mom.
Well, I'm telling you, this is the wallpaper from her first bedroom at Grandma's house.
Holy cow! How did you even have that?
Oh, because I'm over there renovating, getting ready to sell the house.
Maybe you should write that. I mean, she knows that.
No, she knows it.
Should you write a year? Like a date?
It's her birthday.
She knows what that is.
She knows exactly what it is.
Whoa.
Yeah.
She should frame it.
Well, she'll have it. She'll save this letter. She'll save this letter, and it's just really beautiful, right?
Yeah. You should date it, Mommy.
I did.
Where? Oh, okay. Yeah. This is really sweet, Mom.
And it's 50 years. She'll always be able to go back.
Yeah.
No, but look at my finishing, like my little studs and everything. Like, yeah. So I want to find some matching balloons.
What do you get? Someone with everything. Koji, you look so handsome. I feel like I should have cut a little bit over here. So we're packing for Coach right now, and I have a bag full of food for him that'll last 2 weeks. And his toys, his treats, his greenies, his favorite toys. hairbrush. I have his soap in case they go on a walk. He needs water, random stuff. I have his leashes, his coats, his harness, you name it. Everything right now is in the wash. So we're about to head out. And Coach, you look like a handsome man. Look at mommy. I just cleaned him up a tad. Come here, Pumpkin. Cokie. Cokie, are you gonna miss mommy? Are you gonna miss mom? Okay, let me see. Did a really good job cleaning him up, so we're gonna hit the road. I love when he has a bath. He feels so good. Going?
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hunger I bleed. Oh, can I see it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything.
There we go. To Burger King we go. In Jersey.
Coach would have enjoyed a burger.
He would have. Just dropped my dog off to my sister's house. If you haven't realized by now, we love filming in the car. It's like our thing. Yeah, dig.
Yeah, dig. Oh, dang, they had a Rita's right here.
But we in the middle of nowhere, so everything closes by sundown.
Middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere.
But there's a Burger King.
That's what we're gonna have for dinner.
Oh, there's a Wendy's right next to it and an Applebee's. Should we keep driving straight, see what else is there?
No,
Taco
it
Bell's
literally
right there.
is.
It's all right there. Taco Bell's right there too.
I know, I don't.
Should we get her French fries and get us Crunchwrap Supremes?
Piano? Yeah.
That sounds like would be
Yeah.
compromise, baby.
Parents.
Ooh, parents.
Yeah.
I like that. She likes that.
I'm so hungry.
We are starving. I did this before. I drove to Jersey and back in the same night. Remember that?
Twice.
Twice, yeah.
And we moved
When we moved.
from Jersey.
I should have been a truck driver. I'm always behind the wheel.
No.
I drive. I put the miles in.
No. You would lose your mind.
I'd
Because like
probably-
you have no one to talk to. You would just like listen to music,
I'm
I
sure
guess.
you'd find a way to talk to me. Oh, Burger King fries or Wendy's fries for them?
Oh, Wendy's fries.
Alright, let's go.
Wendy's fries. They got ShopRite, Dollar Tree, a Walmart,
Wally, who likes to party?
and I'd be in Wally all day,
Yes, you
honey.
would.
Oh
I
wait,
don't
what is
need a
this?
large.
Burger King? Or oh, I want a salad, but they don't. I don't think they do Caesar salad salads.
Parmesan Caesar salad.
No, but the small one. Like, look at that, $9. Hey, we're on a budget.
All right, now that you know we're on a budget, we'd like to. Hello.
Can I take order?
Thank you so much. Can I have a medium French fry?
Anything else?
Do you have root beer?
You have a root beer?
What size?
Small.
Small.
Anything else?
Do you do Caesar side salads?
Do you have a Caesar side salad?
Caesar salad?
Small, like the side salad?
Like a side salad?
No.
No. Okay, that's it.
Oh no, hold on, what do I mean?
Oh, you want something?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Can I have a large blueberry pomegranate lemonade, light ice?
Anything else?
And could I have a order of garlic fries with cheese on them
We
too?
don't have the garlic fries
Those are
anymore.
now.
So what are the queso fries then?
That's queso fries.
What-
Want queso fries?
That's like spicy?
Yeah.
No thank you.
It's not real spicy though.
It's like cheese.
It's all right, never mind. Oh, can I just have an regular order of cheese fries?
Anything else?
That's it.
$14.88.
Okay.
Go. Just go. The fact that like she kept saying anything else and she's like, yes.
See
Yes.
that?
It's
all
not
right,
even
so-
that you wanted it. It was that she said you want anything else and you're like, why not?
could've sworn-
Sure, why not? I want
I
everything.
could have sworn we started that conversation with on a budget.
I know, and then you just ordered 18 things. I know, I really wanted a root beer though. Honey, what are we doing with this?
Oh yeah.
Honey, mommy got you French fries. Mommy. Mama gets you French fries.
You got space over that side?
Negative. Oh, I thought you were pulling that down.
But I don't know how to
do it. Same.
Yeah. French fries coming up.
This one's so cute. You're hungry, mamas?
You want French fries?
I'm right here.
I got cheese.
She said, do you want queso fries? No, I want cheese fries.
Queso's like spicy. It's like
It's not the same. Isn't queso mean cheese?
Yeah, it does. But their queso fries are like a spicy fry. It's not the same.
Honey.
Kelly,
I don't know.
you thought you knew you was talking about?
I do know what I'm talking about. Cheese fries is queso fries.
You work at Wendy's too?
I think you should reverse. Ooh, yeah.
Thanks, man.
You sweet and sour sauce?
Thank you.
Yes. Oh, I didn't know you got something to drink.
Yeah.
What happened, Buggy?
You have sweet and sour sauce?
Is it good?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Hot.
Hot.
Hot. Nope, nope.
Kennedy, we got fries for
Don't
you.
need our fries. Is it? Try
With the
it.
fry in her mouth.
Well, because I was trying it. Because it was hot.
And what was I doing?
You said it was hot already.
I wasn't sure.
Mommy, it's blow. You gotta blow. Dang, it's hot. Kenny, it's hot.
Hot.
Hot. Hot. Oh,
I feel like that makes
oh my
it-
god.
Look at you. Now for the adult meal.
I know, another $14. Here you go, Buggy. A medium is like an extra, extra large. And
Alright.
Wendy's size.
Oh, come next time. I'll be done. Speaking of not working, second window or come inside.
Lobby's
Jesus
still open.
Jesus Christ.
You go to the second window, you know what you want?
Yeah, Roadtrip Supreme,
You're gonna say anything else. You're gonna say,
black bean.
well, I don't have a menu in front of me.
It's hard enough walking around with all this weight.
On your chest? On your arms? Where? Where's this weight? You want more, Mama?
The weight of you hanging on for me. Because you always own me.
I'm trying to think if you came up with that joke or you heard it somewhere and you're repeating it.
It's the way I felt. Can't move, but you on me. Can't breathe.
No, I can't stop eating these and I told you to stop eating them.
See how I go?
Oh my god. Why are French fries so
Oh, they
good?
was in front of us in Wendy's too. Maybe they giving their kid French fries and they getting their adult meal too.
I'd be mad smart. You know what I'm saying?
In the meantime, hey, can we have a Crunchwrap Supreme with beans, no meat, and
No.
no. So and then now I want a black
The
bean.
refried bean.
Okay, now I want a black bean Crunchwrap Supreme with guacamole instead of sour cream.
Jonathan has a complicated order. Everywhere he goes. He can't even help it.
And one more Crunchwrap Supreme with the refried beans with guacamole instead of sour cream again.
This is how you get this,
I need the
right?
protein.
You get the guacamole.
More beans.
Ooh.
More beans.
Kenzie, I can't even see you.
The first one, yeah, sour cream, but the other two, guacamole instead of sour cream. But all of them are no meat, all beans. That's it. All right, thank you.
Is there anything else that's good? I'm just hungry. Oh, we want mild
And
sauce.
she didn't
A lot of mild
she
sauce.
just got on me for being over orderous. You want anything else? You good?
No, I'm good. Just a lot of mild sauce,
Can we have
please.
all the mild sauce you have in the store?
No.
It sounds like it's a stick up. Put your hands up and give me all the mild sauce. Thank you so much.
This is why I call you a grandpa. Because you say the same joke to every Taco Bell drive-thru person.
Don't
Grandpa.
hate, just appreciate. Oh, where am I going? I ain't getting no food.
Oh, we're asking. What did she say? Pull up?
I don't know.
I was bringing
back
attention.
a little bit. I don't know what she said, but they're gonna be mad at me behind me. You throwing me off.
Oh, wait, ask her. Excuse me. Oh, we just wait?
It's my biggest critic. I don't know.
Who?
Who else?
What did I say?
You know what I got though?
No, no need the fries. Oh, the cheese fries.
You were watching closely. I got my own.
I know. I'm gonna try his queso fries.
Fork in there?
No, ask them for pork.
All right. I need that.
Marciano. I'm gonna tickle your queso.
This is like the not OD one.
Oh, there's just queso.
What's that?
It is. That's just weird. That's queso.
Queso would have been the Mexican one. It's like a white cheese.
No, it was not white in their ad.
Look at right now.
It's the same. It's yellow.
I'm pretty sure they have an advertisement somewhere on the internet. We're gonna look at the advertisement and then we're gonna see what color the cheese is.
Yellow.
Pretty sure it's white.
If I can find it, I'll put it right here. Boop.
Peepa didn't get any props for ordering my own fries because she would have ate all of Kennedy's fries. Say please.
Please.
Say thank you. Only take one.
Yeah, right. Ew. Wait, no, it's too cheesy. I'm trying to leave you with cheese. No, I don't want that one.
How do you touch something in somebody's plate and put it back?
It's so cheesy. I was
You should
helping
be ashamed
you.
of yourself.
Helping. Oh.
Thank you so much. Do you have a fork? Yeah. Yeah. That's a lot of mild sauce. Thank you.
Oh my god. I think this is the most we've ever gotten.
I think she was scared.
Jay,
I think she was nervous.
you're nuts. This is the most amount of mild sauce you've ever gotten. She was nervous to mess up your order, your complicated order. Black bean. Which one do you want first,
Say
sir?
something nice.
Which one do you want?
I don't know. Where am I going?
I have no idea. We should pull over so we can start eating first, though.
No.
I gotta situate it. We don't even know where we're going.
It's a red light. I can make it home in like 2 hours.